Posible pa rin po ba na isa sa mga una nating iharap si Ramil Madriaga? Though, nung humarap na po siya ng House Committee hearing na sinabi po niya yung 125 million na gastos lang in 11, I mean in one day. Can we say na siya pa rin, I mean siya ang star witness natin for confidential funds?
Wala naman hong tinatakda ng star witness sa kahit ano pong articles no of impeachment. We will decide as we go along the trial kasi very important ho mailatag muna yung pong mga dokumento on confidential funds misuse no. So yung pong mga PSA report, yung pong mga acknowledgement receipts no involving Mary Grace Piatos no. And then we will decide kung sino pa ho yung mga dagdag na mga witnesses. Nakalagay naman ho si Ramil Madiage doon po sa listahan ng mga witnesses. So we will ask for the subpoena as soon as we get to that point.
And as to identity of the first witnesses that will be presenting no, in connection with the confidential funds, we've already informed the court no, about this. So, ang nasabi ho natin dyan sa ang una, House of Representatives Legislative Archives and Museum Management Service Director. Tapos ho niyan, dalawang bank managers ho ng Land Bank of the Philippines.